I'm saging the space. Guess what I'm getting ready to do? I'm going to be showing you a new tarot deck when we come back on Writer Groupie. Well, you guys, I thought about it and I thought, yeah, I could do a whole tarot box unboxing, or I could do something better and I could just do a tarot reading. I think a lot of y'all like the tarot readings that I do for shorts on Instagram and things like that. So I think that's what I'll do today, is I'll just do you a very quick tarot reading. I do this for a living. I am a professional tarot reader, believe it or not. So here we go. I'm going to give you an AM, a noon, and a PM, and an overall card. First of all, your overall card is the Six of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. And as you can see, this is a pretty well-rounded card. There's a lot of energy in the center of this card, as there might be in the center of your financial life. You may have a lot of energy being focused right now on resources or finances. And because of the state of things in our financial realm, like, in the investments and in even mortgages and things like that, with the cost of everything right now, this makes sense to me. I believe that you would have a lot of energy in your finances and resources. But the thing to note about this card is its overall energy is that of balance. Sixes are balanced numbers. Fours are balanced numbers. Twos are balanced numbers. This is a very balanced card. So if you are kind of putting a lot of attention on your finances right now, you're doing it in the right way. You can use this reading for tomorrow if you'd like, since we're starting with AM, PM, and noon time cards. For your AM card, you have the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Swords. Now, this queen is a queen who doesn't mess around. She's very, very smart. She has complete and utter mental clarity. She has complete and utter perfect communication. This is somebody who speaks their mind, who cuts through all the nonsense and gets right to the heart of the matter. And so if this is your energy, you're probably an air sign. Swords is air energy, such as Libra. This may be you. This may just be your energy for the morning. Oddly enough, your noon card is also a queen. You have the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is a very grounded earth energy, Capricorn, myself. This is my card. You're long thinking, you're long planning. You've got your arms around a whole lot and you're keeping everything well contained, with this card especially. And finally, your evening card, your PM card, is that of the Eight of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles. We had the Six for our overall energy, and now we have the Eight. And the Eight is where you're working very hard and you're making things happen. This is a good card for manifestation. This is when you kind of put your mind to something and you start seeing it come to fruition. This is a card of growth. As you can see on the plant here, it's not only growing, but it's putting forth flowers. And that's what I think you should be doing today, this evening especially, is putting down some roots and making some stuff happen for yourself. Okay, next video, I'm going to show you what it means to put this all together. Okay, so we're going to put this all together now. You have the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and your overall energy, that of the Six of Pentacles. In my opinion, this whole reading is all about money. It's all about money or finances or resources. I think that for some reason right now, you're looking at life through a reading glasses or a monocle of clarity. You just really are straightforward. Your mind is in the right position. Your thoughts are right. You're speaking right. All about your financial world. Either you have money and you know how to hang on to it, or you have money, you know how to make it grow. Your investments are going to do well. But no matter what, you're going to be completely and utterly balanced in this. You're going to keep control of your money. Things are going to go well for you. And I'm very happy to see that for you. So that's really all I've got for you guys today. I'm just doing a little quick video to give you something to look at. I'm trying to get back into the swing of doing videos. I had kind of set YouTube aside for a while because it was taking up an awful lot of my time. I would really like to do more, but I'm kind of confused. I really don't know what to focus on. I'm still working, even though I'm retired. I've got my writing life that I have to think about. I just would like to do some fun videos for you, things that you really enjoy and like to see. So if you wouldn't mind, give me a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see on this channel. What direction should I take it in? Should I go with tarot, for example, or should I go with more writing stuff? Or should I go with just short videos, fun stuff, which I've been doing for some time now? If you have an idea of what you'd like to see Writer Groupie morph into, I am willing and waiting to hear that. So you guys have a great day.